Meditation Book Reading. Nature's Flow by teacher Myung. This poem is called Death. Death is the disappearance of an existent image. Death is the end of activity, the end of sustaining an image. Death is the end of an image's life. Death is to disappear from the world according to condition. Plants are born of their own accord and die of their own accord. Animals too are born of their own accord and die of their own accord. All come from one and return to one. This one is the universe. It is the eternal truth. The whole of creation is one, and this one is the eternal and everlasting foundation of all creations and their progenitor.